Welcome to Acer Showroom, your trusted source for in-depth analysis and updates on the latest vehicles. Today, we are diving into the all-new 2025 Mahindra Maximo minivan, a practical, innovative, and budget-friendly option for modern transportation needs. Whether you're a business owner, a growing family, or a commuter, this minivan offers a range of features to simplify your journey. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Maximo minivan showcases a sleek yet sturdy design that perfectly balances utility and style. Its aerodynamic profile reduces wind resistance, enhancing fuel efficiency while giving the van a contemporary look. The large windshield, coupled with strategically placed headlights and a bold grille, exudes confidence on the road. The interiors are just as appealing. With spacious seating arrangements, modern upholstery, and well-placed storage compartments, this minivan ensures that comfort and convenience are always a priority. Performance and engine. Under the hood, the Mahindra Maximo minivan is powered by a robust, fuel-efficient engine that offers excellent mileage. It's designed to meet the needs of urban and rural users alike, with a refined suspension system ensuring a smooth ride over varying terrains. This van is engineered to provide optimal performance while maintaining low running costs, making it an economical choice for individuals and businesses. Safety features. Mahindra has not compromised on safety in the 2025 Maximo minivan. The vehicle is equipped with advanced safety features, including reinforced impact zones, seatbelts for all passengers, and anti-lock braking systems ABS. These features are complemented by optional airbags and rear parking sensors, ensuring peace of mind for drivers and passengers. Technology and connectivity. The Maximo minivan comes with a host of technological advancements. The infotainment system includes Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and an optional touchscreen interface. These features are designed to keep passengers entertained and connected during their journey. The van also features a smart key system and optional GPS navigation for added convenience. Utility and versatility. One of the highlights of the 2025 Maximo minivan is its incredible versatility. Its spacious cabin can be configured for passenger comfort or modified to carry goods, making it an ideal choice for commercial and personal use. The sliding doors and low-step entry enhance accessibility, while the foldable rear seats provide extra cargo space when needed. Pricing and variants. Mahindra offers the Maximo minivan in multiple variants, allowing buyers to choose the features that best suit their needs and budget. Competitive pricing ensures that this vehicle is accessible to a wide audience. Additionally, Mahindra's reliable after-sales service and warranty further add to its appeal. The 2025 Mahindra Maximo minivan is a testament to Mahindra's commitment to delivering quality, practicality, and affordability in one package. It's designed to cater to a diverse range of users, offering unmatched value in its category. Thank you for tuning into Acer Showroom. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles and innovations in the automotive world. See you in the next video.